welcome back. In today's video I'm sharing with you a beautiful and affordable hair that I got from Amazon. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. She's human hair, lace front, 13 by 4, 22 inches, 150 density, natural of course, and she's pretty wavy. And it's 22 inches. Did I say that? I believe I said that. You will not believe how much I paid for this. It was only $69. And I got this hair before. I absolutely love it. It's lasted for over a year. It was my everyday hair. So I am going to go ahead and cut out the lace. No shedding whatsoever with this hair. There's no shedding. I couldn't find my brush, and so I was using a comb, and absolutely no shedding. The hair is pretty soft. Strictly out of the box, didn't do much. Cut off the lace. Now I'm applying some foundation to give it a more natural look, and I'm also applying the same foundation on my hairline. I don't like to do much to my hair. I absolutely hate the baby hair. Of course, baby hairs for babies. We're grown here, and I don't like having those lines on my forehead. It's just ridiculous. I don't do much. I try to just blend and give the style that I really like. So you guys gonna see later that I'm not a big fan of very dark black hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and dye out this hair. You're gonna see later on this video, but right now I'm just applying some gel to make sure it sticks where I want it to be. So nothing much. The hair is beautiful. Later on, I am going to sew in some elastic band to keep the hair secure and remove the adjustable strap that came with the hair. I'm not a big fan of that. Yeah, but the hair looks very natural. It's beautiful. It's soft. There's no shedding. It doesn't tangle whatsoever. It's good for at least a year because I have this hair before. I just bought it recently, like a few days ago. So now guys, I think I prefer myself with like a more, not blonde but just some color in my hair, like caramel color, like the picture you see right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my powder and the bleach to dye the hair. So this is what I'm doing right now. I couldn't find the brush to apply the product on the hair, so I'm using my mascara. I'm not gonna use this mascara anymore, it's gone. So now the hair is just sitting there. I use two type of I don't know how you call it, the liquid that you blend with the powder. I used the 20 and the 40 because I wanted some nuances. I was looking to have ombre colors. Now it's time to wash out the hair. It took me approximately 45 minutes. I would just suggest you guys to lay the hair flat and let the water go through. Do not brush or rub the hair to avoid entangling the knots. Depending how deep you want your color to be, you could leave the product on longer. For me, I wanted a subtle blonde, a caramel kind of color. So I washed the hair, shampoo and conditioned the hair. There was no shedding whatsoever, like really straight minimum, like pretty much nothing, just like when you do with your own hair. I absolutely love the quality of this hair. The grade of this hair for the price is just ridiculous. I absolutely recommend this hair. I have no contact whatsoever with the seller. I usually don't review hair. This hair has blown me away completely, and I just wanted to share with you guys in case you were looking for a very affordable look, you know.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will...
The hair is still very wet, hence it looks straight as opposed to those original wavy curls. But once the hair is dried up, the wavy style will come back. You can still straighten with an iron depending on your look. I actually think I just gonna have a nice sleek simple look of a straight hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was somehow helpful. If you are interested in this hair, I will leave the information down below if you can check it out. It was just $69 for a perfect hair, and this is my second time around buying this hair, so I have no cut whatsoever in you buying this hair. I just wanted to share a very affordable look that does not look bad at all, if I do so myself. Also, all the product I use will be listed down below. It's very simple to use, nothing complicated. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you enjoy this last clip where I'm playing with my hair. L'Oréal, parce que vous le valez bien. Thank you so much for watching guys. Until next time, be the best version of yourself. Au revoir mes amours.
You don't say it to my face.